Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best food processor on the market right now, the Maydarol 14-cup food processor. With its stainless steel build and large capacity, this powerhouse is here to transform your kitchen experience. Whether you're cooking for one or prepping meals for the entire week, this machine is built for performance and convenience. Let's start with design. The Maydarol food processor boasts a sleek and durable stainless steel finish that not only looks great on your countertop but is also built to last. The 14-cup work bowl is impressively spacious, ideal for processing large quantities of food at once. Think family-sized portions of coleslaw, dough, salsa, or even entire meals worth of chopped veggies. Now let's talk performance. This machine is powered by a robust 600-watt motor, which gives it the strength to take on everything from hard vegetables to thick dough. What makes it even more versatile are the 4 speed options. You get low, medium, high, and pulse, each one perfect for specific tasks. Whether you're blending, shredding, mincing, or pureeing, you'll always have precise control. One of the standout features is the range of functions this processor handles. It slices, it shreds, it chops, both vegetables and meats. It purees, it even kneads dough. And it doesn't stop there. It comes equipped with a French fry cutter attachment, which means homemade fries just got a whole lot easier and faster. You no longer need to buy separate gadgets for each task. This one machine replaces them all. Operation is surprisingly quiet for such a powerful motor. The parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup as simple as the cooking itself. It's also equipped with a safety lock and non-slip base to keep everything secure during use. Features that home cooks and busy parents will appreciate. The large feeding chute is another practical feature. You can insert whole vegetables or blocks of cheese without needing to chop them down first. That saves you time and keeps things efficient, especially during busy weeknight dinners or Sunday meal preps. In terms of value, the Maydarol food processor packs in a wide range of attachments and capabilities usually found in much more expensive models. It gives you pro-level functionality at a home kitchen price point. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this processor is designed to simplify your life without compromising on results. To sum it up, the Maydarol 14-cup food processor is everything a modern kitchen needs. It's fast, powerful, versatile, and built to handle big jobs. From blending smoothies to slicing potatoes, kneading dough to chopping chicken, this machine is your reliable partner in culinary creativity. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen game, this is the food processor to beat. It's more than just an appliance. It's an all-in-one solution for every food prep challenge you can throw at it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more in-depth looks at the best kitchen gear out there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time.